Monkey Kung Fu self-defense. So let's talk about the first technique for self-defense when someone threw a low kick to you. Right, so when someone threw a low kick to you, so your body quick lean back, let kick go through, and then you can attack back. So now we talk about the second way how to defend when someone kick you. When someone kick you, you're blocking by your knee and poke die. What? Simply, when someone threw a low kick, you threw a high kick to the face. That's it. So let's go to the next one. Monkey Kung Fu self-defense. How defense when someone punches you. You block by the punch. A lock by your right hand. Your left hand a slide in, become monkey hand, hold this part. And you can pull back with your knee. Now we want to go different way. You sit your right hand, right this part. You go twist, go this way and twist, right, and go this way, and you can lock by this, or you can lock by this, or you can twist right this way.
Monkey Kung Fu self-defense.
Right,
So when somebody tries to punch you, you can pull their hand back. You're gonna lock it so they cannot go away. And the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab their hand and you're gonna pull upwards like this. You're gonna turn, and then you're holding their hand like this, and it's either they break their wrist or they have to fall. And when you fall, you could twist their hand.
Monkey Kung Fu tutorial step by step. Follow me now. The last move from last lesson, your both hand cross like a monkey, make circle and cross down, fit together. And snap kick, you lift, kick. So the snap kick by your knee, kick by your toe point, boom. Right, so you kick and quick that back. So say it again. 1, 2, and 3. Snap kick. And you land, both hand cross, and you lift, and side kick, and come back. Let's start the movement number 1 until further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, you're landing, jump, both hand cross, monkey pose. This is a great combo. Once you go snap kick, quick landing, and side kick. See the transition. Clearly, you attack the other side, quick attack the other side back, right? So this can be blocking move. And go snap kick, come back, and quick side kick, and jump back. After this, stand up, left hand, blocking this way, go a side kick, landing right here, your right arm go up, hit the floor, left hand become hurricane, like this. Perfect. See this again from the movement number 1 until further. Both hands across, and snap kick, come back, second, monkey pose, stand up, side kick, kick. After, gonna be really interesting kick. Both like, go jump, kick, boom, band, squash, and you jump, actually jump like this. You can to practice. Touch your both knees and start kick. Left hand set right this way, right foot to kicking your left snap kick. Like this. Kick, left. Perfect. One more time. Jump, kick, left, Perfect. Let's start the movement number 1 until further. 1. Stop kick. Kick. After this one, you both hands on the floor. You go front sweep. After this one, you both hands on the floor. You go sweep. Oh, sweep. Couple steps. 1. Both hands. Heel up. Left heel up. Once you sweep, your hand left higher. Lift higher. And sweep, your hand go other side. And sweep over, switching on. And that's the circle sweep. Say this again. And you can repeat a couple times. That's the monkey front sweep. Let's start the movement number 1 until the end. Let's go. 1, 2, and kick. Monkey. Stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoot. Monkey sweep. 1, 2. After that, you both in front. High rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. That's all for today. The lesson 5 of Monkey Kung Fu. Quick tutorial for high rotation. The first thing you need to achieve is a high standing. So practice at home, like this. Both hands on the floor. And your head and front for your both hands is like triangle. So 1, 2, high triangle. And you push your both hand to keep balance. The first step. To keep training 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Open, right. So once you go open, close, and you can make the twist and rotation. Alright, so I give you more details in other video. Just for high rotation and also for high flip. Alright, so that's all for today. Monkey Kung Fu lesson 5. I see you in next video. Thank you and love you all and bye bye.